Alright, what is up, you guys? We are back. It is Saturday night, same day. But it's actually midnight. So I'm only gonna be out here for a few hours. There's a few things I want to do. First things first, we need to get this wheel fitted. So this is the last wheel that we need to fit over here, obviously. And then so we need to fit the last wheel, give the front alignment, double check the rear alignment, possibly install these headlights. And then while I'm at it, I want to replace my ABS sensor. My new one came in for this side. I'm still waiting on the other side, but yeah. And then tomorrow my project will be to clean and polish these wheels. So I bought these off eBay. They're like it's like a cotton cone that goes on the end of your drill bit. I've seen good things about these, so we'll see how that works. But yeah, that's gonna be tonight's plan. So first things first is getting this wheel mounted. Me shaving down the front caliper as much as I did, but I just want to show you. So here's the before. You see all the meat on there, and then we walk over to this side, and here's after. So we literally had to shave. You can probably see it, like literally a channel into the caliper. I definitely don't recommend doing this just for wheel fitment, but I mean, I guess that's what it takes. Round two, I think, is about done. And let's put her on and see if she spins. we still got a little bit more to go on the bottom, unfortunately. All right, good 15 minutes of grinding. We're good. All right, so now I'm dealing with this mess. So I've spliced in this once already. This is the driver side, ABS and brake pad wires. So I still got a brake pad light. So I'm just gonna twist these two together right here. And then when it comes to ABS, obviously we're swapping out sensors. We got, focus. We got some cheap $5 ABS module or sensor versus our freaking expensive name brand one. So hopefully this gets rid of my light. I'm also waiting for my passenger side one, but that should be here within the next day or two. All right, so we got our brake pad wear indicator wires. And I'm hoping if I just tie these together and just close it up from water, I hope this gets rid of my brake pad light. I'm really hoping so. All right, so last thing I'm gonna do tonight is swap over all the bulbs from this headlight to this headlight, and then obviously the other one too, but yeah, that's gonna be the last thing to do. Obviously, these look a lot alike. They're very similar, but obviously we have our projector lens, and then I painted the bezel black in this, and then this is all chrome. These are eBay headlights, so don't hate. They are eBay, but we'll see how they work. They look decent. Oh, and they're glass. Plastic, glass. So that's another perk about switching to these. All right, so first, let's see if my brake pad light is gone. See if ABS goes away. Nope, ABS did not go away. So I still have the right one to change. So hopefully that does it, but yeah, I'm gonna air this thing out and hopefully we go Fender To Lip. I got both 17s on. So I'm hoping this thing sits down because I really don't feel like dropping spindles and all that again, but if I gotta do what I gotta do. Please sit Fender To Lip. Probably we're gonna. I didn't even get to roll this side. Pretty close over here. Man, this freaking sucks. Let's see some tire shine. I'm just gonna wet this a little bit. See if that'll work. Oof. Let's go a little bit more. Let's do both sides. Pray for me. Pray for me. gonna have to drop spindles. Damn. Just a little bit, maybe an inch. That's aggravating. Very, very aggravating. Just go down. I don't feel like freaking raising spindles. God, that's annoying. Damn. Literally an inch. Alright, so it's 3:30 in the morning. I'm done. The car does sit lower, and since we got the other front wheel on, it does sit lower, but we're literally an inch from Fender To Lip. Rear sits Fender To Lip now, thankfully. So we're all good there. Now it's just raising the sleeves up a little bit. I really wish I could just jack the car up, take the wheel off, and thread it like a coilover, but unfortunately I gotta drop the spindle and then thread the sleeve up an inch and then bolt everything back up. But yeah, we're almost there. Tomorrow's gonna be a pretty much detailed day. I'm gonna take off all 4 wheels, clean them inside and out. Hopefully my passenger ABS sensor comes. If that comes, then I can get that switched out, and then my ABS and traction control light should be off. Brake pad light is off, so that's good. No more beeping at me, so that's kind of cool. So that's gonna wrap it up. I know it was a short video, not really anything successful. Appreciate you guys watching. Appreciate you guys supporting my build. It has its ups and downs, but it's rewarding in the end. But yeah, I will catch you guys next time. And unfortunately, one of the adjusters on my headlight broke. So if you look in there, we had to super glue it. So I'm gonna let that sit and harden up for tomorrow. Oh, sorry. So hopefully by tomorrow, it'll be all dried up and then I can get both these headlights in. I forgot how good they do look. Oh, they do look really, really good. So I'm pretty stoked about putting those back in. Also, we got the front mount intercooler mounted up. Not really successful getting somewhere. So unfortunately, we're halfway done with this ABS sensors. We're halfway done with the headlights, and I have not done alignment yet, but that ain't gonna take long. We're halfway done with this. So pretty much everything I'm on the list is halfway done. Fucking half-ass car. Just a half-ass car. All right, guys, it's the next night. I figured I'd continue this video on into one long video. But we are hitting the intercooler on our lip. So I roughly drew a line and where it's hitting. I think I'm just gonna go all the way across. Just, yeah. So unfortunately, we have to trim our $400 OEM lip. Definitely not looking forward to this. Well, I didn't really want to do it, but I did it. Let's see if it's enough. I'm getting more and more upset every time I mount this thing with this new front mount. So obviously now I gotta trim out the bumper and I gotta trim out more of my lip. I'm just hoping this is enough to officially clear this intercooler. But after cutting twice already, I found out I have to take off this much more. Much trimming later. We have a front mount intercooler. Literally, look how much we had to trim off this. Crazy. Also, we got these headlights installed. Time to lower it a 1/2 inch. I just raised it. Just kidding, we lowered it. Just lowered it 1 inch. Finally sitting Fender To Lip.
That's better.
Well, we officially lowered the front. Bumper looks like shit, fender looks like shit, but the fitment looks good. Whatever. Just gonna wrap it up. Besides polishing these wheels and waiting on my other ABS sensor, we got our list knocked out. Also alignment, I'll double check alignment, but wheels look straight, so I think we're good, but this is what we need to do.